Trump says the U.S. needs Greenland. People laugh. But here's the uncomfortable part. There are actually 3 ways this could happen.
First, the baseline. Greenland isn't independent. It's part of the Kingdom of Denmark. Denmark is a US ally, a NATO ally. On paper, taking Greenland sounds impossible.
But Trump keeps insisting anyway. So what's he actually talking about?
Here's the part most people miss. The US already has a military base in Greenland. It's called Petoskey Space Base, formerly Thule Air Base. It's the northernmost US base in the world. And it runs missile early warning radar that can detect launches from Russia toward North America.
But if the U.S. already has a base there, why push harder?
Option 1 is the polite version. Expand what already exists. More troops, more radar, more Arctic surveillance. Denmark has offered this repeatedly. It gives Washington deeper control without changing sovereignty and gives Trump a visible win.
But Trump doesn't sound like he wants polite.
Which brings us to option 2. Greenland becomes independent from Denmark and then signs a compact of free association with the US. Washington pays the bills, controls defense, blocks China and Russia, and effectively runs security without formal annexation.
But Greenlanders don't want to become American.
Correct. Polls show most Greenlanders want independence, not US ownership. And AECOFA would cost Washington billions every year to run Greenland's economy. Therefore, this option only works if the US decides Arctic control is worth a permanent subsidy.
So, what's the last option?
Option 3 is the nuclear option, annexation, possibly by force. Militarily, it would be fast. There are very few Danish troops on the island. Politically, it would be catastrophic. Denmark has warned that a US siege of Greenland would effectively end NATO, because it would mean one ally attacking another.
So this could really happen.
Exactly, fat man. Trump isn't asking whether Greenland is for sale. He's asking how much control he can get, how fast, and at what cost. And once you see the options, the question stops being, is this crazy? And becomes, which path does he take? Which brings us right back to the start. Trump says the US needs Greenland.